Can't move forward because you keep second guessing your product or service? I have one simple 3-part system that will help you discover the clarity that you desperately are looking for. If we haven't met, my name is Rhonda Melogy, and I built and sold a business all while homeschooling and graduating all 4 children. Now, what I found was when I was very clear on the steps to fulfill my product and or service, that gave me direction, that gave me confidence, and it really gave me everything I needed to operate my business. What am I talking about? SOPs. Now, SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure. It's really a very fancy name for writing directions for every task in your business. Now, I'm going to break this down into 3 steps and we're going to make it fun. The first thing is you need a 10-minute timer. I do a lot of things in like 10-minute timers. I think you can do most things in 10 minutes. So set your timer for 10 minutes. I like a good Sharpie, or you could get a pen, and then a sheet of paper. Now, I'm using a poster board here as an example. In order for you to get started writing your first SOP, I want you to think of an everyday task that you do. Walking the dogs, making your coffee, working out, yoga, whatever that is for you. Just an everyday task. You don't even think about the steps that you need in order to complete that task. You got it? That's what I want you to do for your first SOP. All right. So now that we have that task in our brain, all you need to do, set the timer, and I want you to include at the very top the name of the SOP. Then I want you to write the tools, the templates, the resources, like anything that you need in order to complete the task. So say, for example, we're making coffee. I need coffee. I need a coffee filter. I need a coffee pot. What else do you need to make your favorite cup of coffee? And then I want you to write it step by step by step in order just to complete that one task. And that's it. But that one simple system will save you. It helps you to multiply your time without burning you out. When you have SOPs inside of your business, now you have a hiring tool. You know exactly who you're looking for in that skill set. You have a training tool. You're going to get faster. Maybe you find a piece of software that can help you in implementing that SOP. That SOP is going to get you better results. That SOP and some of my clients' SOPs, people have offered to pay for them. They are so good. They are the heart and soul of your business. And really, your goal should be, believe it or not, to replace yourself. In the beginning of running my seasonal event that I eventually sold, I got really good at documenting all the tasks. And one particular season, my husband was out on deployment. My kids were much smaller, and I couldn't be in 2 places at one time. If I didn't hold that event, families would not get what they needed for their kids for their season at a fraction of retail. So what did I do? I literally handed over my 3-ring binder, which held all of those Google Docs, all of those SOPs, to my best friend. And something magical happened. Families were served. I generated revenue. But here's the key. I never set foot in the event. My systems literally replaced me, where I thought that I had to be present 12 hours a day. That's exactly what you're looking for. And I want to set you up for success by starting with a simple everyday task that you do. Walking the dogs, making your cup of coffee, yoga, whatever. You get the idea. And if you would like my SOP playbook, all you got to do is drop a line SOP down below and I'll send it your way.